Hi guys, this is Amar and in this video I am gonna deliver a session on self-discipline, a way to bring a change in your life and first basic step towards success. So without much ado, we will start the session. Before that, don't forget to click on bell icon, subscribe button to watch upcoming motivational videos to bring change in your life and make yourself successful. Let's start with what exactly self-discipline is. Self-discipline means self-control, inner strength and control of yourself and your reactions. So this skill gives you the power to stick to your decisions and follow them through with changing your mind. That's why it is one of the important requirements for achieving goals and carrying out tasks. The first and best victory is to conquer yourself. Self-discipline is the bridge between goals defined and goals accomplished. So you have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this and you will find strength. Always act on sane counsel of your mind, not on the whims and fancies of your mind. Focus on your eternal energy. Focus on self-discipline. So why self-discipline is important in your life? In today's era, discipline brings stability and structure into a person's life. It teaches a person to be a responsible and respectful. The observance of well-defined rules is the basis of society. It promotes good human behavior to better society and make it a more enjoyable place for everyone to live. So it helps you stay focused on reaching your goals, gives you the gumption to stick with difficult tasks and allows you to overcome the obstacle and discomfort as you push yourself new heights. Once Daniel Goldstein said, I think self-discipline is something, it's like a muscle. The more you exercise it, the stronger it gets. See friends, talent without discipline is like an octopus on a roller skates. There's plenty of movement but you never knows if it's going to be forward, backward or sideways. So self-discipline is a form of freedom. Freedom from laziness, freedom from lethargy, freedom from expectation and demands of others, freedom from weakness and fear and doubt. Self-discipline allows a teacher to feel his individuality, his inner strength, his talent. He is a master of rather than a slave to his thoughts and emotions. This ability can develop or strengthen at any given time. This ability can be developed or strengthened at any given time if you put your mind to it, make promises and make sure you deliver it. Make the genuine efforts to align your actions and behavior with your thoughts. Exercise. Get your mind and body into shape. Resist the urge to give you into negative behavior. Instead, focus on all the positive attributes. It helps to transform your negative thought process to positive one, making you more responsible, which brings great response from yourself in difficult situations in your life. Further, it leads to ultimate satisfaction and happiness in your life and your family too. In a nutshell, this skill enables you to persevere with your decisions and plans until you accomplish them. In order to reach your goal, a good measure to discipline is most helpful. It imparts you the ability to persevere. It is a power that helps you stay motivated. If you wish to have resolution, persistence, single-mindedness and staying powerful, you need to develop this skill. With this skill well developed, it becomes easier to build up good habits and get rid of bad ones. If you wish to possess more inner strength and stronger willpower, you need to start working on developing self-discipline. Now question is how you gonna develop this skill with ease. So here is 10 steps you must follow to make yourself self-disciplined. First step is set your goal. Break it in small ones and make it happen. Second step is know your strengths and weaknesses. and work on your weaknesses. Overcome your weaknesses. Third step is remove temptation. Fourth step is plan your goal daily. Make it accountable. Mark your progress daily. Fifth step is practice hard, practice daily diligence. Sixth step is create new good habits and rituals. Seventh step is focus on your willpower by changing your perception positively about willpower. Eighth step is give yourself a backup plan. Then ninth step is try to control your mind and give correction wherever required. Correct yourself time to time. 10th step is motivate yourself. Be the self-motivated person. Take command of your mind and drive it as per your goals and plan. Praise yourself. Forgive yourself wherever it is required. And always move forward. Next question is, how does this skill manifest? It manifests as the ability to persevere. It is the ability not to give up despite failures and setbacks. Discipline manifests as a self-control and restraint. The ability to resist distraction and temptations. It manifests as a firmness, purposefulness and self-mastery. It expresses itself as the ability to try over and again until you accomplish what you set out to do. It stands for firmness, purposefulness and self-mastery and single-mindedness. Life puts challenges and problems on the path to success and achievement, but with this skill you will see them as opportunities. In order to rise above the challenges you have, you will act with perseverance and persistence, and this of course requires self-discipline only. Then coming to the benefits which you get from practicing the self-discipline includes, it helps to establish inner strength and build a good character. It enables you to withstand temptations. It drastically improves your response in difficult situations of your life and brings positivity in your life. Having self-discipline heightens your chances of success. An individual with self-discipline builds better relationships. Self-discipline makes it more difficult to be offended. So apart from this, it helps to boost your chances of advancing in your career, lower your anxiety and stress levels, and increasing your strength, self-esteem, confidence, enhance personal and workplace relationships. The Dalai Lama once said in his quote on discipline, a disciplined mind leads to happiness and an undisciplined mind leads to suffering. Always remember the words of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. The cost of discipline is always less than the price of regret. So self-discipline is the biggest investment for the success in life. So guys, conclusion is to make yourself a self-disciplined person, you must have control on your mind, and once you started controlling your mind, you can achieve anything in life. Just to add words in Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir's line and end the session with this note, where there is a self-discipline, there is a righteousness in the heart, there is a beauty in the character, and there is harmony in the home. When there is harmony in the home, there is order in the nation, and when there is order in the nation, there is a peace in the world. That's why harmony when you start with self-discipline only. Always remember, for more updates, please subscribe my channel, like it, comment and do share to motivate others. Stay tuned for next session. Next session will be on self-control. Thanks for watching video.